First, we will significantly broaden market access. A number of landmark measures are to be launched this year. On services, financial services in particular, important announcement was made on measures to raise foreign equity caps in the banking, securities, and insurance industries at the end of last year. We will ensure that these measures are materialized. At the same time, we will make more moves toward further opening, including accelerating the opening up of the insurance industry, easing restrictions on the establishment of foreign financial institutions in China, and expanding their business scope, and also opening up more areas of cooperation between Chinese and foreign financial markets. On manufacturing, we have basically opened up this sector, only with a small number of exceptions on automobiles, ships, and aircraft. Now, these industries are in a position to open up. Going forward, we will ease as soon as possible foreign equity restrictions in these industries, automobiles in particular.